Are you ready for this? Your favorite AI assistant, Claude, is about to take a bold leap right into your everyday life, connecting directly to personal apps like Spotify, Uber Eats, and even TurboTax. Imagine asking one AI anything: what to listen to, what to eat, or even how to file your taxes, and having real answers, real help, and real results right inside one chat. This is more than just convenience. It's the next step in making AI your true personal assistant. Today, we're going to see how this works, why it matters, and what's next. But before we dive in, if you love learning how AI is changing the way we live and work, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more insights. And drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you ready to let an AI into all your apps, or is that a little too close for comfort? Let's get right into it. Anthropic, the AI company that developed Claude, has announced a major upgrade. Claude can now connect directly to a bunch of personal apps, way beyond just the usual work tools. If you've used Claude or been following its development, you'll know it's already pretty good at handling work-related apps like Microsoft 365. But this update opens up a new world. Now, Claude can interface with the things we use every day in our personal lives. It's shifting from an office assistant to a lifestyle partner, understanding our needs across different platforms. Let's break down what this actually looks like. Anthropic's new set of connections, what they call connectors, lets Claude link up with services like Audible, Spotify, Uber, and AllTrails. It also connects to TripAdvisor for travel planning, Instacart for groceries, TurboTax for taxes, and a growing list of others. The days of app hopping are coming to an end. Instead of jumping between a dozen different apps to get things done, you just talk to Claude, and it handles the back and forth for you. No more digital fragmentation or lost context between tasks. Let's take an example. You've just decided on a whim that you want to go hiking this weekend. In the past, this was a multi-step chore. You'd open AllTrails, search for trails, copy info to your calendar, look up reviews on TripAdvisor, and text a friend. It was exhausting just to plan a simple afternoon outdoors. Now, with Claude's connectors, you can just ask, "Hey Claude, suggest me a good hiking trail nearby, and let's grab the latest reviews from TripAdvisor." That's it. In response, Claude does all the connecting behind the scenes and serves up curated, personalized information without you ever leaving the chat. It's seamless and remarkably fast. You might be thinking, wait, doesn't this sound a bit like what ChatGPT already does? And you'd be right, sort of. OpenAI's ChatGPT has experimented with similar connectors and plugins for apps. But here's the twist. Anthropic is doubling down on this approach by making the process much more seamless and surfacing app suggestions naturally in your conversation, rather than making you find them. So if you're talking about grocery shopping, Claude will proactively suggest an Instacart order. If you mention travel, TripAdvisor and AllTrails might pop up, offering suggestions right when you need them. It's about making your digital life feel less fragmented. Think about how much time we waste remembering passwords or copying information between different platforms just to get a single task done. This is the era of contextual intelligence. Claude isn't just pulling data, it's understanding the relationship between your calendar, your preferences, and your current goals to provide a tailored experience. We're seeing a massive shift across the industry. Google Gemini has its extensions, and Apple is building intelligence into every device. Anthropic's connectors are their bold response to stay ahead. Let's talk about privacy for a second, because we all know that's a huge deal whenever apps start connecting our accounts. For Anthropic, user privacy is a top priority and a core design principle. They state that permissions are required before any app gets connected. We're always in charge of what's linked, and we can review services or revoke access at any time with total transparency. Still, anytime you open up your most personal apps to automation, it's smart to check the settings, understand what's shared, and decide what works for you personally. We have to be informed users. By giving Claude access to these personal tools, your digital assistant shifts from being just a helpful chatbot to something closer to a real digital concierge. It's a fundamental shift in utility. So if you're a music lover, imagine Claude helping you discover new Spotify playlists based on your mood, then booking an Uber to a live show across town. Everything connects without effort. Or maybe you're deep into tax season. Claude can walk you through the TurboTax process and instantly answer questions with your real data, not just generic info. That kind of help is invaluable. Want to catch up on a new podcast? Claude can line up the latest Audible releases right from your chat window. It's about total ecosystem integration that adapts to your unique habits. This isn't just for you. It's a huge opportunity for developers. By building these connectors, companies can make their services accessible exactly where users are already spending their time, inside the AI. The future of proactive help is bright. Imagine Claude noticing you're low on groceries and suggesting an Instacart order before you even check the fridge. That's where we're headed. All this is rolling out now, and Anthropic promises even more app integrations in the coming months. The race for the ultimate personal AI assistant is definitely heating up, and we're here for it. To sum it up, this is where AI gets genuinely personal. You'll be seeing Claude pop up with smarter suggestions, easier planning, and more ways to simplify your life, right at your fingertips. Whether you're streamlining travel, keeping groceries stocked, or sorting your playlists, it's all happening in one place. This is more than a feature. It's a new way of living with AI. That's the scoop on Anthropic's big Claude upgrade. So what personal app do you want Claude to link with next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear your wildest ideas. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more updates as AI keeps evolving. While you're here, check out the video in the corner to learn more. See you in the next video.